Well, the YouTube is now getting to be officially springtime. Weather's getting good. And I would like to share this video with all, to all you fucking morons that don't give two shits about any biker on the road. Now, don't get me wrong. There are assholes out there, bikers. Assholes that make bikers look bad. But as you can clearly hear, biker down on the road. Think twice. Save a life. Look where you're driving. Watch where you're driving, please. I like to have my biker brother community alive and well and kicking. I know bikers. I am a biker myself. But like I say, I just like to make sure people this year are safe. I don't want to be reading in the newspaper one of my buddies dead on the side of the road because someone wanted to think they could drive a little quicker than a bike, and I'll pass on that and see you later. And be careful out there. It's summertime's coming. Bikers are out. Just like to make that video because, like I said, bikers drive on the road too. So please be safe, take care, and beware. Like I said, bikers are out. Till the next video. Should be coming shortly. I just had to share that. Think twice, save a life. Look both ways. Always, every ways. Out.